welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your computer using your USB drive. So I have already burned Windows 10 64-bit on my 32 gigs pen drive. You can use any 8 gig pen drive to burn this file. I will show you how to install Windows completely. So let's get started. Plug in your pen drive, and for different laptop it is different settings. For Dell it is F12. You need to press F12, keep striking it until you get the boot menu and click the pen drive. Choose the pen drive. I am choosing UEFI SanDisk. This is my pen drive and which has my OS. I click on it and here it boots into Windows. So as it boots in, I'll tell you what is the difference in other laptops. Sometimes you need to press F1, then you need to change the priority to the USB disk, and then you need to boot. So in Dell it is quite easy. Just press F12 and then swipe down and choose the USB. Let's get into the setup. It takes some time. Here we are at the setup screen. This is choose your country and currency. I'm choosing India, English India. To go on top, find I, and here. And so the keyboard layout is also India. You can click on next, and now click on install now. This takes a while, and you need to agree the terms and conditions and click on next. And upgrade and custom, you need to choose custom over here. Click on custom, and this is my hard disk. It is 1 TB and it's not in usable form. We need to burn it. I mean, delete all the partitions first. So I'm starting with 1, it is deleted, 2, it is deleted, 3, it is deleted. And now it's showing the next. You can do is, if you have a 500 gigs hard disk, divide it into two parts, 250 and 250. If you have 1 TB, divide it into two parts. Like, I'm going to divide it into 500 and 500. So apply. It will create two partitions. One will be for the system and other will be for the data storage. You can use the system one also to store data, but it is good if you divide it properly. So this is the primary one. I'm going to install my system on partition 4. It has 487 gigs and partition 0 unallocated space has this much, 444. Let's get started. Click on next, and copying Windows file, it becomes very fast, and the other two, they take some time. So as it moves ahead, I'll show you how it goes on. You need to sit back and relax. It takes a while.